model numbers here. Okay, we're going to be taking apart an Asus Eee desktop PC. I've already taken the back plate off and their stands, which is, you know, PC stands like that on it, obviously the other way. After taking the back plates and that stand off, obviously the stand is the first thing you take off by just a screw here, and the back plate you just take off by unscrewing a couple of screws just on either side. Now you just slide the top of the case like so and pull up, and here we go. I've already upgraded the RAM. There was only 2 gigs of RAM in this machine. I've got two 2 gig chips, so it's a total of 4. Now we're going to be taking the hard drive screws off first. By the way, I've never done this before. There's no really videos out there to show me how to do it, so it's like a leap of faith. I'll just do it. Okay. This is obviously in a bracket, so what we'll do is take off let's see what happens when we take this off. Actually, I need a smaller screw. Star screw. Not even sure if we have to take this off. Well, that was it. Take out them 2 screws, pull outwards. It's got little rubber things, protection obviously for the motherboard. And just place the hard drive over here safely. Little arrow there with a pointing at a screw, which for obvious reason I'm going to take this off. There's another screw here. Another one here. This little metal plate comes off. You may as well keep the screws in it. Okay, put that aside. Now, the next part we're going to be taking off is this little fella here with a little cord there. You've got to be careful so that the cord doesn't actually rip or anything. So take them screws, pull them together. They're a bit different than a normal. Now just keep slight pressure downwards on it when you're taking the screws, because it automatically goes up. Now when it does go up a little bit, you just wiggle it just from one side to one side and voila, it's gone. Here we go. Alright, taking out more of the motherboard screws, that's holding it down. Two screws right next to each other here, next to the fan. Take them off, and they are identical. Okay, there's the other screw. More screws. Some PCs like board screws. No problems. You see any screw on top of that motherboard, you want to take it off to get to the drive. By the way, I don't even have a replacement drive yet, but I'm thinking of putting a Blu-ray drive in there rather than just a DVD burner. You don't want to lose any screws, so make sure that you do put them all together. Okay, let's see where we're at with this, and it's feeling / looking good. Just having a look underneath there if there's anything else that's holding it. Oh, duh, there's clearly a whole screw there that I did not unscrew. Hence the whole. If you see any screw, unscrew it. Here we go. That was definitely holding that thing down. Now, there we go, here we go. That's what a AAA with a few discs in it, that's what it looks like. You can clearly see discs in there, thanks to about one, or I can see 2 in there, maybe 3. Wow, didn't even think they can hold 3 discs, but this one's got 3 discs in it. That's having children next to technology, so don't have them, they're no good. You can always do with more RAM, but more kids, I don't know about that. It's not going to make anything faster. Alright, let's just fix what I stuffed up down here. Trying to get the CD out via a screwdriver. Clearly didn't work because they're still there. Now, I'm going to have to try and unplug this baby here from the actual main board and unplug its cord yet, which is actually it's just plugged in via whatever the hell that is. God. Alright, back this way. Now gently, you don't want to scratch, break anything, especially when the computer's like that. Alright, back to taking out more screws. Here we go. Yep. I'm just unplugging the again, the DVD burner from that little thing so that we can get the discs out. Well, hopefully that's the end result, is getting those discs out. Yeah, otherwise what I've been doing is 100% useful. Not. Alright. Here we go. Beautiful. Now, with this, you can clearly see where the plug is here. You just pull it outwards, so it was there, and I just pulled it towards me. And Oh, there's your little, if you ever want to reset your BIOS, there's your little BIOS battery here, so you can go ahead and unplug that if you need a BIOS reset. Now, with those, what we're going to try and do here is, did I just touch the lens? No, I can't possibly do that. Yep, there's 3 discs in there. I'm going to get tweezers because there's no way you... Now, get the discs out with tweezers if you no longer want that disc, not like that disc, because it probably most likely going to wreck it big time. Oh, what do you know? I found my Killzone 3 discs. It's a PlayStation 3 brand new game. Again, that's having kids for you. There was this, and this, which is close to physical impossibility, but you know what? Kids will make anything possible, so again, avoid them if you can. Alright. Now, back to putting this thing together, / hoping that it will actually work, because geez, God knows what to this thing. So, can you pause? Just